Yeah, so we should be talking about the jet fuel hoax. On some level, we need to realize that jets don't use liquid fuel. There's no way, especially that fighter jets could be maneuvering like they do at the speeds they're going with liquid fuel in those tiny little skinny wings. Look at these wings. They're not designed to carry liquid. This is technology from the future. And it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is just technology that's brought back to us using free energy and the power of air. Air is electricity. It's okay. It's okay that free energy exists. Fighter jets use zero liquid fuel. It's okay. It just is what it is. Turbine-driven engines on Earth do not use liquid fuel.